I was in the closet.
So this is just me quickly showing you this new lighting that I got for my birthday. I'm so thankful that I got it. It's really nice. It's by Newer, N-E-E-W-E-R, by the way, and it just looks so good. I'm so happy to get lighting. Yeet. Yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to 𝓿𝐃𝐸𝐺, and today I'm filming with new lights. Hey guys, welcome back to 𝓿𝐃𝐸𝐺, and today I'm going to be announcing the 10 finalists who are going to be competing in my PTGT AG photo contest cycle 2. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Yeah! Note to models who make it into PTGT, make sure you watch until the end of the video to find out the theme for the upcoming week. It's also going to be announced at the end of this video, and it's always going to be announced at the end of the video, so please make sure you know that. One more thing, I'm not going to be scoring these photos this week. I'm going to start scoring them next week, and that will actually be week 1. So this is just announcing who made it into my competition. Alright, so the first person to make it into my photo contest is Caroline from thE_doll_addiction, and her audition photo will pop up right here. Now, Caroline, I love this photo. I think it's really cute. I love how her hair is in motion, and I like how your doll is looking off to the side. I think that adds to the photo. And I also really like how some of the leaves look almost like a bluish tint. They really help complement Caroline's blue eyes, and I think this photo is super cute. So congratulations on making it in! The next person to make it into my photo contest is Kit from Shademeadow AJ and AG, and her audition photo will pop up right here. I think this photo is so cute. I really like how she's hiding behind the pole. I think that's a really creative idea and just made it more interesting to look at. I really like the simplicity. I think you did a really good job in this photo, and yeah, congrats on making it in. The third person to make it into my contest is Bella from Cupcake's AG Studios, and their audition photo will pop up right here. I think this photo is absolutely so cute. I love how you made it look almost retro. I think it's super cute. I also love how you made that chromatic aberration next to her. I think it adds more color and it adds a creative detail. And you also do have some color harmonization going on there with like the blue and the blue around her and like the red and the red on her shirt. I think it's super cute, and congrats on making it in. The next person making it into PTGT is the doll Cecile, and their audition photo will pop up right here. I think this photo is so cute. I love how you have the yellow going on. I like it. It's super cute. I just love how she has that super cute outfit and she's just chilling, relaxing on the cement. I also really like how you added the sun. I think it's super cute. It's just super simple, but I still really like it. So congrats, Cecile, on making it into this contest. Next, we have the doll Valentina, who made it in, and she is from the YouTube user Angelus base ! And their audition photo will pop up right here, and I think this photo is super cute. I love how you made the backstory that she was gonna go swimming and then her plans got canceled because it rained, but I think this is a really cute photo. I like how you have her pose. I think it looks really good, and yeah, congrats on making it in. Next, we have Blaire from American GirlHearts here on YouTube, and here is their audition photo. It's right here. Now, I love this photo. I love how her eyes are closed. I love the lighting. It's super crisp, and I just really love her outfit. I think it really looks good with her red hair, and I just really like the lighting, and I think you did an amazing job on this photo. Congratulations on making it in, boy! The next lucky person to make it in is Brianna from AGovation, and their audition photo will pop up right here. Now, Brianna, I think this photo is so cute. I love how her hair looks so crisp in the camera. I love her outfit and everything. I really love how you put the sunglasses on top of her head. I think that's super cute, and I just really love how crisp it is, and you did a super good job in this photo. So congratulations on making it in. Next, we have Serena from AGOgspoileddolliefam, and their audition photo will pop up right here. Now, Serena, I think this photo is so cute. I love how she's flying the paper airplanes. I think you made those, and those are so cute. I love how you made the background. I think that looks so cute. And I also just really like this photo. It's just something really interesting to look at, and yeah, so you did an amazing job, and congratulations on making it in. Amber Lilly is the next model to make it into PTGT, and they are from AGDISNEY here on YouTube, and their audition photo will pop up right here. Now, Amber Lilly, I love how you put her outside, and I really like how she's picking flowers. I think her outfit is so cute, and it just looks really good. I also really like the background and how she's standing on a hill type thing. It looks like she's out in the field or something. It's pretty clear, and I think you did an amazing job on this photo. And the very last person to make it into my PTGT AG photo contest is Rebecca from ThatBroadwayGirl, and here is their audition photo. It's right here, and I think this audition photo is so cute. I really like how she is looking at her chameleon, and what really stood out to me is that I think that might be a real one. Let me know if that's not real, but it looks seriously real, and I think that's super cute. Yeah, I just really like this photo, so congratulations on making it in. And those, my dudes, are the top 10 finalists for my PTGT AG photo contest cycle 2. Now, if you did not make it in, please, please, please don't be sad or mad or angry, because you can always enter the next cycle. I'm going to be holding a cycle 3 next summer, and if you didn't make it in, you can also email me if you want to guest judge this cycle. I would love for you to guest judge, and yeah. And for those who did make it in, I'm going to be inviting you to a Google Hangouts group chat for this photo contest using Gmail. So you have to have a Gmail, and I'm probably going to be inviting you with the Gmail you either sent in your photo with, or if you have a different one that you want to use, you can let me know it just by emailing me that. So yeah, we'll figure that out later. We'll kind of figure that out in the comments, guys. So yeah. So the theme that is going to kick off next week, which is actually week 1 of this photo contest, is going to be fashion. So you need to theme your photo anything around fashion, whether your doll is a model in a magazine, on a runway, anything fashion related. I cannot wait to see what type of creativity you guys bring to the stage next week. And the due date / deadline that you need and must have your photo in by is going to be this upcoming Saturday, which is June 6th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you don't even turn in your photo, you won't get any points because I do score you on how good your photo is. And if you don't turn in a photo, I can't give you anything. So you will get 0 points if you don't turn it in, and this applies to all the other upcoming weeks. But if you do turn in your photo, but you just turn it in past the deadline, I'll have to give you only 2 points, and that is not that much. But yeah. It's just what I have to do because I am on a schedule. I'm going to post every Sunday like a new PTGT video, so yeah. And if you're looking to improve your photography, I'm going to be releasing a 15 AG photography tips video coming out this Wednesday, so you should definitely watch that because it has a bunch of tips that you should use and apply to your photography in this contest, and yeah. Even if you aren't in this competition, you should definitely still watch it because it's a cool video. Alright guys, that is basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to start this competition. It's going to be so fun. It's just going to be so fun with all these models, and yeah, I hope you watched all the way through. You should have definitely watched all the way through. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below because I love talking to you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share this channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.